Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Today I'm going to be showing you a new experimental feature that I call Select Mode that makes it very easy for you to be able to locate the corresponding notation for any piece of ABC text or the corresponding text for any piece of ABC notation just by clicking on it. So I've got a bunch of tunes loaded up here, and the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go into the Settings, into the Developer Settings. And you'll want to check this box that says Replace Tune Trainer Toolbar button with Select Mode On-Off button. When you do that and you go back to the tool, you'll see that the Tune Trainer button has been replaced by the Select On-Off button. And the Tune Trainer is still available. It's under the player, and the Tune Trainer button's right here. To turn Select Mode on, you just click the button. It says Select On, and you'll see that the background of the editor area turns slightly green to just remind you that you're in this mode. And when this mode is enabled, you can select any text in your ABC, and you can see it highlights in red over here in the notation. And additionally, you can click any item in the notation, and it's highlighted in the ABC text on the left. So for example, I've selected this D, which also has the F sharp underneath it. I can click Coolies, and it highlights. I go down to the cashier and it selects it. I can pick, for example, this last note of cash and it'll select it. And if I go the other way, if I select, let's say, the first line of cash, you'll see that it's highlighted here in red. This can be very, very handy for working with more complicated tunes. So for example, something like the Bach Fantasia, this is a 4-part tune. If we wanted to, for example, locate this F sharp in the bass clef, you can see here it showed it over here. Alternatively, if I wanted to select some text in the ABC, you can see now it's highlighted here in the notation. So you can go back and forth between the two to find either the notation for a particular piece of ABC text or the ABC text for a particular piece of notation. So this is a great new feature. I'm considering it sort of a beta feature at this point. Eventually it will make its way to the main tool, but for now you're going to have to enable it from the developer settings. If you want to get the trainer button back, it's very easy. You just go to Settings, go to Developer Settings, and then uncheck the box. And you can see we get the Tune Trainer button back. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Select Mode back on. One thing you need to know is that when Select Mode is on, the notation has to be redrawn for every single change. So the Select Mode works great for probably smaller sets of tunes, and by that I mean probably no more than 50 tunes at a time, because it will have to redraw all 50 tunes every time you make a change to the ABC. Other than that, I think for smaller sets of tunes, let's say 3 to 20 tunes, I think it'll be completely transparent. This is a fairly major addition to the tool. Please, if you see any issues either with this new mode or with the normal operation of the tool, please let me know.